Budget 2025 is out there and I know you must be very puzzled with the budget. So here we have with us Siddharth Sharma, who is an expert and he will shed light on this budget. Hello Siddharth.
Thank you so much
How
for
are
calling
you?
me over the show. I'm very good.
So give us the biggest announcement of today's budget.
So the budget 2025 will always and always be remembered.
Truly.
Next in next coming decades as well, for a decade or so at least, this budget would be remembered always and always. And to all the viewers, I would say that this had been the biggest budget where the middle class has been the biggest beneficiary. And I'm very excited, and I'm very sure that you guys would be excited to know about the fact what exactly is the excitement all about. This is the first time this budget had been the first budget ever where the income tax exemption, especially for the middle class, has increased up to 12 lakhs of rupees.
Yes, you heard that right.
That means that till 12 lakhs of your annual income, you will be exempted from paying any income tax. Initially, this limit had been 6 lakhs in the old tax regime. It even went to 7 lakhs. And now it went to 12 lakhs. And there is also a standard deduction for 75,000. That means that if you are earning 12 lakhs 75,000 rupees of annual income, you will be exempted from paying any income tax. And what does this really mean? Or in fact, why did the government do that? It's very, very important for the viewers to understand. In the financial year 2023-24, the consumption in India has gone down drastically. It has gone down to an extent that in the last year, the consumption index has given minus 1.2% of returns, annual returns. And at the same time, the financials, the real estate and other indices had been giving 22 to 25% of returns. So to boost consumption into this economy, which is the most important thing, because ultimately India is a consumption driven market. And if the consumption is not picking up, the country cannot grow. So to bring consumption into the markets, it can only and only happen when the middle class will have money into their pockets. Once they will be having money into their pocket, they will be able to spend over the normal, over the staple consumption or over the discretionary consumption. Like for example, buying a house, for example, consumptions in the form of staple diets like your rice, wheat, millets, or for example, buying white good products like air conditioners, refrigerators, televisions, but that can only and only happen when a middle class will have some money into his pocket.
And there was a severe need to boost the economy.
Exactly, exactly. So the Union Minister, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am, she had clearly said that till 12 lakhs rupees, you are exempted from paying income tax. And viewers, you will be surprised to know that there is a concept which is known as tax foregone. So tax foregone means that how much of the amount of money the government will lose if they are increasing or if they are doing any exemptions into the tax slabs. So she has clearly said that this will lead to approximately 1 lakh crore of or approximately tax exemption. That means there will be a big hit to the government of India if they are increasing the tax limits.